how to upgrade Ansible in macOS using the Homebrew. After installing it, we have the utility brew available in every terminal. So using brew search Ansible show us what packages are installed. In my case, Ansible and Ansible-lint. We can get more details using brew info Ansible, for example, and it's going to show us that there is one version available. So at the moment I have version 8.5.0, and using brew upgrade is going to be upgraded to version 8.5.0_1. Everything will be performed under the hood by the Homebrew utility, as it's taking care of maintaining our system up to date. I really love this process of upgrading the system because it maintains our system and all the dependency up to date. As you can see, it's going to perform the download and decompressing of utility. In my case, Ansible and Ansible-lint. That is the linter for Ansible. Once the file is actually downloaded, it performs the installation, which means the decompression of the archive and the installation of the new packages. The utility is also taking care of removing the unneeded file in my system. As you can see, there are more than 430 megabytes that was in this process, and more than 30,000 files. So a lot of very small file, I would say. We can verify that everything is ready to go using the Ansible -- version command, as well as Ansible-lint -- version. As you can see, these are the latest version available for every individual component. So now my macOS is ready to go, and now the sky's the limit. We can run as many code as we want, create our personal resources in Ansible, and have a lot of fun. Okay, I'm really excited that the Ansible package is inside the Homebrew, because everything is simple and we don't need a lot of manual maintenance just to maintaining our system up to date. As you can see, there are many dependencies between the packages, because Ansible-lint depends by Ansible Core, Ansible Compact, run another component for running the YAML validation. That is the core foundation of the Ansible language. In every moment we can verify the exact version of Ansible available in the Homebrew using the brew info Ansible, as well as brew info Ansible-lint. It's very nice because it shows us also the analytics of how many packages were installed by the community at the moment worldwide. Cool! Now we are good to go. Our system is up to date and we know exactly how to perform an upgrade of Ansible in macOS. Cool! When we have a doubt, just use the -- version in the command line to showcase the exact version of Ansible and the underneath component. In my case, this is using Ansible Core 2.15.5 using the Python module for 8.5.0 and using Python 3.11. So all this information together is very key if we need to do any troubleshooting in my system.